Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with the Winter Wonderland Collection sent to me to play with by Spellbinders. I have shown you the Mega Santa Lane collection. Well, this is a smaller collection, so this one is called Winter Wonderland. Let's take a look. Let's get started. Okay crafters, so this one includes a paper pad, 6x6, 40 sheets, 10 designs. It includes also some foiled sheets. Love. Oh, let's go back here. Oh, yes. And that is foiled. You see it? Love. This one too. I love the pink. See, I like traditional and not traditional. Love. Oh, look, the cardinal. Ooh, to go with the tweet cardinal. And the mailbox. See the letter? Oh, this would be great background then for the mailbox die. Yeah. Let's go get it. Let's take a peek. Okay, crafters, I am back. I had to find my mailbox. This is from the Parcel and Post mailbox die set from July in their Christmas in July release. Look at this mailbox. So in a recent video, I'll put a link here for the video, I showed you how to assemble this awesome mailbox die set. I was saying here with the cardinal, this is so cute with the mail. Oh, yes. Let's see. Love that mailbox set, which should be back in stock too. Let's see again. Mailbox. And this lovely 6x6 pad. This could be the front of the mailbox. That's pretty too. Oh, yes. And the pattern repeats, as you can see. So you're getting like 3 sets of this. Let me see if it is even 4 sets. 4 sets. Yeah, that's really nice. So there's a lot of pattern paper in here to play with. So if you really like something like I am really drawn to this one, I have 4 sheets of it. Love. Next, there are 2 packs of ephemera, 116 printed die cuts and 146 printed die cuts. So just like the mega kit, I can already see this one is all sentiments. This one is just die cut image goodness. So use this to accent all your cards, projects. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. We get 2 of each. You get the mailbox here. You get the house, presents, Christmas tree, ooh, figgy pudding, gingerbread house, mug. And even if you don't generally use this in your card making, play with your kids then. Let your kids make some cards with you. They would love to use this. You know, they aren't used to all this stamping and stuff, but this type of thing, it's not a sticker thing, but give them some glue or pop dots and let them have fun too. Choo-choo train. Love. And if you make mini albums or such, any kind of project, or put these on tags. Got another cardinal again. Super duper cute. Okay, going to push this off to the side. 116 pieces of fun. Next, we have the sentiment. Ooh. Ornament. Enjoy the magic of the season. See that foil? And it has some gold foil on it too. Just like this. Have a merry little Christmas. A little holiday magic. Oh, I'm loving all the gold foiling. Christmas. Happy wishes. Nice. Pretty. Love the font here. Warm Christmas. There you go on a card. And the tags have sentiments on them. Look at these little statements. These little sentiments. Love. All gold foiling. So this is the gold foil sentiment set. Merry Christmas. Pretty. And different kind of ornaments too. Okay, this one here really will speed up your card making because you have all these sentiments ready to go. We have this kind of a fishtail banner, merry and bright, modern, and then traditional. So you get more than one style. Depending on who the recipient is, younger person, you can send them the more modern one. Traditional, somebody who loves their traditional style, you send them the traditional card. Options, folks, options. All right, next, 2 sets of stickers, gold puffy stickers. And just like the last one, I tell you, this gold, I don't know what color this gold is. It's like good, fun yellow gold, but really pretty. See? I'm putting it towards the window so you can get a feel. It's like a matte shiny, I can't describe it. I don't know what this is. It looks like it has texture, but it doesn't. But it does have a, oh, I know, brushed metal. Think of it like that. Brushed metal gold. You see it? That's super pretty. These are roughly 5/8 of an inch tall, 1/2 inch wide. Perfect. Use a T-square ruler. You're ready to go. And then here we have the Christmas glitter sentiment sticker. So we have the gold puffy alphabet stickers, 2 sides. You can spell plenty. You even have these little stars and the dots and all the excitement. Pretty. You get some numbers too. And then this one, you get to make whatever project you want to put this on. Cards, album, scrapbook layout. This would be great. Just making scrapbook with this. These sentiments, fabulous. And they can be a focal point. Holidays, 3.5 inch wide. Let's say almost an inch tall. Cute. Cute. Jingle bells deck the halls. Happy, fun, oh what joy. Joyful. Oh, see, this is separated. So you could do joy or you could do joyful. La la la, fa la la. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. And then all these stars and the and. Oh, love. Oh, oh. Alrighty, crafters. I just wanted to hop in real quick and show you before I get into it, because now I get a chance to play with it. So check out below for the Winter Wonderland Collection. All of these goodies. Alrighty, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Expect some lovely projects to inspire for the holidays. Until the next video, stay crafty. Bye.